Want to write YouTube scripts with ChatGPT in 1 minute? Here's a 5-step method to go from idea to final script. Step 1. Define your goal and your audience clearly. Step 2. Pick format, length, and desired tone. Step 3. Craft a structured prompt with examples and constraints. Step 4. Iterate and refine. Step 5. Generate the final script with timestamps and visuals. Here are 2 sample prompts you can copy now. Prompt 1. Write a 60-second energetic script about ChatGPT for beginners with a hook, 3 steps, and a call to action. Prompt 2. Expand that into a 3-part outline and add on-screen text and shot suggestions. Use this 3-part script: hook, content, call to action. Example outline: hook states the problem fast. Content gives 3 clear tips. CTA tells viewers what to do next. Try these prompts now. Save this video and start scripting with ChatGPT.